Got one. Got one. Oh my gosh. He's a feisty one. Oh, good one. Got my stuff all wet. Ah, Jesus Christ, dude, chill out. Got a nice chunky bass right there, baby. Woo! First bass of the day. And he's got a bloody tail right there. Kablunk. He's ripped up my thumb. Oh, man. That's what I needed. I've been fishing. Oh, yep, I'm bleeding. I've been fishing all along this bank, and right when we get into this little cut right here, where it's a little windy, they just click on. And I was thinking that it's a hot day, there's a lot of sun, so this cut right here is gonna, it's what it's, yeah, good English, Clayton. Let's go get some more. Got one. Whoa, right at the boat. Oh my God. Chill out, chill out, chill, 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 chill. It's not a big fish, but it smoked it right at the boat. Oh my gosh. Crazy, dude. These fish are nuts. Got him right good in the mouth. Oh, baby. Sick. Oh. Got a nice pregnant one. It's a little female, I think. There's a good fish right in the top of the mouth. You can hear that wind going now. Oh, that's a good fish, 15 inches. All right. Oh, I have one. That was such a soft bite. Do I have one? Or is it a stick? Nope, got one. Wow. Oh my gosh. He said, "What's up?" real quick. Dear Lord. Whoa. This is not a big bass. This is, oh, what the? Yeah, that was quite the fish right there. These are all about the same. Ooh, it's got some sort of gunk on his trunk, you know? He's bleeding, I don't know why. Hooked him right in the face. Look at that. Oh, he's got a cut fin. There we go. All right, bass, cool. See you. Yeah, it was bleeding out of its fin. What in the world? I don't know how, or I don't know what happened, but that must have been real. He must have smacked it on something, like when I was reeling it in. He jumped right there, but I don't think he hit my motor. So I hope not. That would have been bad. Because it was super fresh. He should be fine though. That was a cool bass. Take that one. Okay, no it wasn't. No it wasn't. This thing is not very small. Wait, maybe it is small. Underneath the boat, and he just smacked his head and came off. What just happened? What is going on? He just smacked his head on the bottom of the boat and came off. What the frick? What in the world? So annoying. day is not over. It's just a lunch break. I'm gonna make some barbecue sandwiches for my lunch because I am smart and I thought through what I was gonna eat today. And I know some of you guys are thinking, Clayton, you just caught fish with your hands. And yeah, you're right, you're not wrong. But I wash my hands in the lake, so, you know, that cleans it off. There's enough stuff in there. It's like soap, basically. It's like a giant thing of soap. Let's get to making some sandwiches. Boom. Done. Alright. So, there's a lake just over there. We got all packed up, we're ready to go. I just gotta finish my sandwich. I can't fish in a boat in that other pond. I can only bank fish. So hopefully we can get into more. There are more up there that'll bite, but the size is a lot smaller. Like here we're catching 3-pound bass today. 3 or 2-pound bass. Up there, you'll catch a couple. Wow, you'll catch a couple 1-pounders, half of a pound, like some of the smallest fish you'll ever see. But I'll catch up to 10 or something like that. So I'm gonna finish this sandwich. Oh, we can go up now. We're here at this new, younger pond. It's called Heart Lake, is what I call it. Shaped like a heart, very creative, yeah, I know. This jig, same jig I was using in the last pond. Just a little, I think it was a flipping jig. No, it wasn't a flipping, it was skipping jig. This is a little skipping jig with a Rage Crawl trailer. See if we can't catch them on that. What the heck? See what I'm talking about? Oh, one of the smallest fish ever. This pond has such small fish. Fish is busted over there too. But I had a bigger one on that came up and swiped at it and missed it. But well, let's keep going. Let's keep on chucking. Spit it. Golly, dude. That was not a, it was like a 2-pound fish. So it wasn't huge, but like, really? I've worked this entire side right here, worked this entire side right here, and then now I've come to here and there's a bush right over here that I'm trying to catch. I got one. Oh, he broke me off. Dude, that was huge. He broke me off. It's my line. What just happened? Holy crap. That was a big, big, big fish. So I cast over to this bush right here. It sat there. I was talking to you guys about me fishing and I just lost a fish here. So while it's sitting there, I'm not doing anything with my reel. The line just gets tighter and tighter and tighter and it starts moving out. I set the hook and the line breaks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Hopefully that big biggin didn't go very far. I'm gonna go back, grab another jig, flip right over there. Just let it sit. Try and do the exact same thing again. I do not want to go over there and disturb that, but that was crazy. I think that might have been John actually, the 7-pounder. See if we can't get him. I have a fish on? No way. Yeah, I do. He's got a second wind. Yeah, buddy. He's been crushing all of these crawfish. It's a good little stocky fish right there, baby. He's got some weird growths in his face and stuff, and so I'm gonna go ahead and toss him back. Thank you for biting my bait, and sorry I wasn't real. Sick. First fish, or second fish that I've landed. Got him. No! That was sick. I was dangling it right up along that. There's a fish in there and I want to catch him. That's not how you're going to catch him though. Gosh dang it. There was a little limb and I was dangling it and he busted on it and missed it. And so I put it back in the water and was still dangling it and then boom, hit it. Got him, and then all of a sudden I lost him. Did I have him? Yeah, got him. Oh, that's him. Keep him pinned, stay pinned. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. It's a pretty good sized fish. Still, chill. Chill. Yes! Boom, baby. Look at that. Look at that right there, boys. Boom. He whacked it, missed it, and then whacked it again. Right underneath that brush pile right there. God, that was a good fish. That might have been the coolest fish catch I've had all day. And the biggest, actually. Wow, that's a big fish right there. That's a good one. He's making beds back there. That's his bed, and I just ripped him off of it. And that's a 4-pound bass right there, boys. That's a good 4-pound bass right there. God, I'll take that all day. Oh, you can't even see it. That's a good 4-pound bass, though. It's a nice one. Let's go send him back. Golly, that was cool. I hope I got that on video, just dangling it and then boom, and he missed it. And I cast up and hit the tree and then I cast again, landing it, popped it, and he whacked. Got another one. Keep him pinned. Oh, there's another one right there. That was weird. Okay, so they're all stacked up in back here. Didn't know that was a word. Thank you for being a bass. Means a lot. Now I'm gonna go catch your friend that followed you. Get out of here. Okay, but there was another one in there. It was about the exact same size. So let's see if we can't catch him too. He came out from over here maybe? Got one. Got another one. Stay pinned. Oh, there we go, baby. Stay down. That was that other fish, no doubt about it. Turn. Yes. He's got big shoulders on him, that's for sure. That was that other bass that chased my bass like 3 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, 1 minute ago. Yeah, that's literally 1 minute ago. All right. Be free. Do more bass things. All right. Just got done fishing. It's hot. I was wearing shorts in that tall grass, and so my legs itch a lot, but I don't remember how many fish we caught. I don't know the number, but that one fish over there was one of the coolest and the biggest fish of the day. So the only bait I used today was a jig. That's it. I didn't use anything else. I don't know why I didn't pick something up. I just felt like today was a jig day. So that's what we did. Flipped some jigs up onto the bank, up into some brush, caught some fish. Yep, so thank you for watching. Hope to see you on another episode of Goons TV. Woo!